What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage. I got kind of a different little bird for us today. I've never been in one of these, I don't think. Ooh, power telescoping steering wheel. That's nice. Do you guys ever remember the very short-lived... Let's see, what years were these made? I think... Oh, that was cool. The 2010, 11, maybe 12 HS250, the little hybrid four-door sedan, about the size of a Toyota Corolla. Well, we got one here today, and when I say this thing is nice, man, this thing is so nice. Let's take it for a drive. Look at that damn navigation it folded up out of the screen. I have never driven one of these. Let's take it for a spin. 142,000 miles. Feels good. It's a little dirty, but it's not too beat down. The seats are in good shape. The driver's seat looks just as good as that passenger seat. Air's cold. We are, let's see. Yeah, we are on the gas engine is running. I would imagine the hybrid battery on this thing, unless it has been replaced, is probably very much near the end of its life cycle. I am seeing that, let's see. Okay, up here our average miles per gallon is 29.2. That seems a little low. Unless this thing's just been bebopping around, you know, who knows. I know sometimes they do better in the city than on the interstate, but if the battery might be getting weak, and you're running a lot on I don't know, 4-cylinder, maybe it's not as good. I don't know, that's confusing. But it sounds good. And there's no warning lights except for just a tire pressure. It says everything's ready and eco and good to go. And had 30 miles per gallon. Heck, that isn't bad for a decent sized car like this. It's got a nice back seat with good leg room. Make a good, you know, A to B work car. Probably won't be too expensive tomorrow. These have pretty much devalued out. And plus, they're kind of rare. You just don't see many of them. So unless you're just a real Lexus enthusiast, a lot of people see them come through and they're like, what the hell is that? You know, they don't know what Lexus that is. And plus, they start thinking about, ooh, is the battery any good? Is the battery any good? I bet the battery is no good. Let's see what she'll do. Got good pickup. Oh, yeah, so smooth. Oh, my gosh, this thing is smooth. That CVT is smooth, man. Okay, that's cool. So that's like a little mouse. Goes around on your screen right here. It's a little cumbersome. Enter. Okay. Oh, okay. So you got an enter button here on the side, and you use the little mouse to navigate your... Of course, I'm shaky as hell. We'll cut that fan speed down. We do have satellite, radio, auxiliary hookup, Bluetooth. You know, it's a 10, so it's got, you know, most of the stuff. A 2010, it looks like it's equipped about like a 2010 ES300 or LS. Yeah, nice little car. I like it. Be interested to see what it goes for tomorrow. I don't know if I'm particularly an interested buyer right now. I can't keep enough vans right now. Honda Odysseys, that's just all I got. Oh, okay, so that switched me straight to battery. maybe. Huh. How do you put the darn thing back in park? There's reverse. There's neutral. Do you... Oh, P for park. Duh. Oh, okay. I wasn't sure how it worked. Let's open her up and do a little walk around. She's kind of a steel blue color. Ooh. Yeah, it looks like we got just a little road rash on the front there. A little scuff. Oh my God. Ooh, not garage kept. Okay, we're on electric power right now. That's good not. That's one way to check, just spit on it. But it's a straight bodied old car. HS250, right? Right? That's what it is. Yeah, HS250H. Muskogee County. Okay, that's way down in South Georgia. That's in Columbus, Georgia. This spoiler has the paint is completely faded off of it. But the paint's pretty good everywhere else. We got a little bit of either hail damage or, man, this thing's set under a tree. Probably a couple of limbs have fallen on it over the years. You saw how many leaves were under the hood. Ooh, we had a dog. Yeah. But no seat damage. Just needs a serious cleaning. See, driver's seat looks good. And it's got heated and cooled seats. And these Lexus perforated seats, man, you know how they can be. They can just shred. And if you have a pet, that's even worse. This is a pretty neat little rig. I like this little car. It's got a comfortable seat and a good driving position for my 6'2" ass. I'd enjoy driving one of these. It's very peppy. Y'all, there's a for my Saab guys, there's a 2005 Saab Aero convertible 6-speed here somewhere, and I cannot find it. It's a new car trade-in, and it's not sitting with their car. So I don't know if it's just a late arrival to the show, but I'm going to have to leave here in a minute, and I didn't get to see it, which I'm really disappointed because I'm sure it's not going to sell for anything. But yeah, an Aero convertible manual. I mean, all this is good stuff, you know. All good stuff. Ah, shoot. Yeah, but I rode around and around and around this place and never could find it. Anyway, tell me what y'all think about the 2010 Lexus HS250H. Pretty cool little car, not bad. Just needs a good cleanup. It's got nice new tires. Not bad at all. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you next time. Peace.